Megan's tired. Demon Child's sleeping. And Squirt has not been playing with the garbage can. But Megan's feet are moving, so that's a good sign. And my lizard's still alive.
The paper.
The lizard and my duck-billed platypus, my other duck-billed platypus, are still alive.
Are you tired, Ashley?
I'm not tired at all. Megan's tired. And she looks like she's bald. This is really funny.
Okay, guy.
Oh yeah, Megan's Ashton. I'm just kidding. Ashton,
She's more like.
she's cool though.
No, I hate her.
Oh, be nice.
No.
We can't be haters on YouTube. We can't be haters on YouTube.
She tried killing me.